Welcome back, visionaries. It's Mr. Chip, and we're unlocking the next level of our AI money heist, decoding dollars, designing destiny. Today, we're diving deep into turning your prompt mastery into tangible rewards. Remember how we crafted our prompts using my way in the last episode? Let's build upon that foundation. But first, a quick refresher. Crafting prompts with a clear goal, relevant context, examples, persona specification, desired response format, required length, and intended tone. Now, let's craft an example together. Let's say you're targeting content creators. Your prompt could be, you can give the goal as generate a catchy YouTube video title. Look simple and elegant. Ensuring context awareness is key to every successful prompt. You can pass the context as the video is about future of animation with AI for audience of age 18 to 35. An example could be like, how AI is revolutionizing the world of 2D and 3D animations. 5 mind-blowing innovations. Most importantly, assign the role as be a tech-savvy animation enthusiast and an experienced YouTuber. Its desired response could be set as a compelling, SEO-friendly title. Limit the length to 8 to 12 words. We can keep the tone as optimistic and informative. With this structure, you're guiding the AI to generate precise, high-quality results. For a complete list of keywords to be used for possible tone, persona, and length, they'll be dropping a cheat sheet in AI Money Heist Discord server completely for free. Feel free to make use of it. All right, visionaries, time to put this into practice. I want to see your genius at work. Drop a comment below with your very own crafted prompt using the My Way method. Keep in mind all the elements: goal, context, example, persona, desired response, length, and tone. I'll personally review a few and provide feedback in our next episode. This is your chance to get a head start and get recognized for your brilliance. Who knows? Your prompt might just be the next big hit on Gumroad or Promptbase. Hold up, visionaries. Before you jump into selling those masterfully crafted prompts, there's a piece to this puzzle you absolutely can't ignore: your audience. Think of it this way. Let's journey to the world of music for a moment. Would you play a heavy metal song to soothe a baby? Or how about some classical Bach at a high-energy gym workout? Seems out of place, right? That's precisely why you must tune into the rhythm of your audience when crafting and selling prompts. Ask yourself, who are they? What excites them? What challenges are they looking to overcome with AI's help? Understanding this can shape your prompt design, pricing, and even where and how you market. Are you crafting prompts for educators? Then maybe dive deep into academic topics. Targeting businesses? Maybe it's time to design AI-powered pitches or market analyses. Being in sync with your audience's beat isn't just about selling more, it's about creating value. And when you blend value with vision, that, my friends, is where the true magic happens. Now, before we dive deeper into Gumroad, I have a question for you visionaries. Have you ever wondered how much a single, well-crafted prompt can earn you? How much value do you think a string of words can hold? Hold that thought and keep your estimates in mind. We're about to unveil the true potential. But how do you turn these prompts into profit? Enter Gumroad, a popular platform for creators to sell digital products. Here's a quick walkthrough to set up shop. Start by sign up. Head to gumroad.com. Click Start Selling. Fill in your details and voila, you have an account. Next, for product listing, you must create a product, yes, a bundle of your premium prompts. Add a catchy title, a detailed description, and set a price. Finally, start promoting. Use your social media and email list to drive traffic. The more exposure, the better. Now, a little trip down memory lane for you all. When I first started selling prompts on Gumroad, I was thrilled with my first sale. But here's a fun fact. I completely forgot to set up my payment details. Imagine having a brilliant prompt out there, getting buyers, but no way for the funds to reach you. It was a rookie mistake, but one that taught me the importance of double-checking every detail. Another fantastic platform is Promptbase. It's tailored for selling and buying prompts, making it perfect for our cause. First of all, registration. Go to promptbase.com.register and create a seller profile. Here, quality is king. The better crafted your prompts, the higher the chance they get featured and sold. Remember our My Way method? That's your secret weapon. Next step is pricing an AMP, promotion. Similar to Gumroad, set competitive prices and promote extensively. What sets a seller apart in these marketplaces? Here's the trick. Regularly update your listings, provide prompt bundles, and most importantly, gather and showcase testimonials. Positive reviews can skyrocket your sales. So there you have it. Harness the art of prompt crafting and capitalize on it. It's not just about earning, it's about designing your destiny. Stick around for more episodes where we continue to unveil the secrets of the AI money heist. But before concluding, let me ask you, what kind of prompts do you think are most in demand right now? Educational? Entertaining? Or maybe something for the tech-savvy? Jot down your thoughts, and let's see if you've got a knack for predicting market trends. Before we conclude today's insights into the world of prompt selling, I have something thrilling to share. But let's keep it for our next session. Next time, I'll unveil a little-known secret, a strategy so powerful, it more than doubled my prompt sales in just 30 days. You think you know all about prompt engineering? Think again. This one's a game changer. And for those wondering if this strategy is worth the wait, let's just say, you won't look at prompt crafting the same way ever again. So mark your calendars and brace yourselves. It's going to be a wild ride.